Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Jaytee, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, mag-unbox na naman tayo ng bagong ukulele. Oops. So by the way, this video is in collaboration with Banggood and Xiaomi. So if you're interested with this product or this ukulele that I'll be showing to you guys, then all the necessary details that you need will be placed on the description box below. So kung naalala nyo, yung previous ukulele review ko about the POPULELE U1, yung papakita ko na lang yung picture. So, ayun. So, kung naalala niyo yung review na yun, this ukulele that I'll be showing to you guys is the second gen ng POPULELE. And this is the POPULELE 2. Ayan. So, let's open the box and let's see kung anong pinagkaiba na to sa POPULELE 1. Parang pang thumbnail. Char. Ayan, na-open na natin yung box. And inside the box is another box. Ayan. So, let's just pull this out. Ayan. Wait. Lagay natin siya. And we have here the POPULELE 2. Ayan, yung design ng box. Also here sa likod, POPULELE 2. Light up your music journey. Ayan. So sa box pa lang, parang mas minimal na yung design nila. Pero mas bet ko talaga yung box ng POPULELE 1 kasi parang ang social niya tignan. And may pictures din siya and then colored yung design ng box. Unlike this one, plain brown with minimalist POPULELE 2 design. So, let's open the box. Ayan. Ooh. Huh? Teka. Bakit ganito yung kulay? Sa pagkakaalam ko, sky blue or blue po yung in-order ko, pero yung dumating is mint green. Okay, so when you open the box, meron tayong POPULELE na parang, di ko alam kung anong tawag dito, pero meron siyang ganito. And then, ayan. Ito na yung ukulele body natin. Ayan, mint green talaga siya, guys. Naalala ko yung Beachman ko, pero yung Beachman ko is much darker than this one. Pero, ayun na nga, papakita ko yung picture later sa Banggood. Sky blue talaga siya, guys. Or, kasing blue na itong cutter. So, ang layo ng kulay nila. Ba't ganito? So, ito na yung ukulele natin. Ayan, ang ganda. Wala na siyang charger port, whatever you call it. Basta yung sasaksakan. Yung parang dun mo lalagay or sasaksak yung charger, wala na siyang ganun except for these two buttons right here. We have here the power button and I don't know this button. Ano ba to? Okay. So, may lalagyanan tayo ng battery. So, sa POPULELE U1, in order to enable the Bluetooth capability and also the LED lights here sa fretboard, kailangan mo siyang i-charge using a charger. Any Android charger will do. Pero dito sa POPULELE POPULELE 2, hindi siya U2. POPULELE 2, kailangan mo ng dalawang AAA battery. So, okay. So, aside from the ukulele body, we have here two manuals. Ayan. The first manual that we have here is printed in English. Okay. So, maganda kasi may English. Kasi, sa pagkakaalala ko, yung first na POPULELE U1, yun, yung manual niya is Chinese, in Czech. Hindi ko siya naiintindihan. And this one, ayan. Ito na yung Chinese version. So, we have here two manuals, one English and one Chinese. So, kung in Czech kayo, maintindihan nyo ito. And, okay. Oopsie. And, ano pa ba? Ano ba to? Wala nang ibang laman. What? Wala na ba talaga? Okay, so ito lang talaga guys. Yung parang plastic something niya. And yung box na lang. So, oh my gosh. I'm a little bit disappointed with this one. So, sa Populele U1, ang dami niyang freebies or mga accessories. First things first, meron siyang bag. Meron kapo, meron extra strings, may pick. O, diba? Pero sa Populele 2, we only have the ukulele and 2 manuals. So, eto lang. And wala man lang extra battery. So, may nakita na akong dalawang battery. Kinuha ko yung mga battery dun sa tuner ko na galing sa Hurricane. So, ayun. Ito muna yung ilalagay natin. At sana mag-work. Ayan. Oh, diba? Ang galing-galing. Umiilaw lahat. Pansin ko lang, umiilaw siya lahat. As in, parang ang dami niyang lights ngayon. Kasi doon sa Populele 1, yung Populele 1, umiilaw. Pag pinapaandar mo siya, iilaw siya from here to here. Then after that one, iilaw na lang yung mga fret markers. Pero dito, parang sumasayaw yung mga LED lights sa loob. Ang ganda-ganda. So, the Populele 2 is made using, ano nga yun? Using high purity T700 carbon fiber composite material supplemented with ASA resin to reconstruct the body process. Wala ko masyadong naintindihan, pero sa pagkakalam ko, the body of the Populele 2 is not a typical ukulele because yung mga classical ukulele, like yung mga ukulele ko, wood talaga siya. And yung iba doon is made of mahogany, sapil, yung iba is kowa, ganun. But this one is a carbon, carbon composite material or carbon something, basta carbon. And I also researched na the strings of the Populele 2 is carbon strings. I'm not pretty sure if ano yung pinagkaiba ng carbon strings sa Aquila Nile Gut strings kasi most of my ukulele is equipped with Aquila Nile Gut strings or the Aquila nylon na red series na strings. And ayun. So, based sa napansin ko, even though it's a concert size ukulele, yung tunog niya is medyo matinis. And I guess it's because of the carbon strings. Kasi mas parang ang bright ng tunog niya. Ayan, napapansin niyo ba? Parang ang cute ng tunog niya. Let's try to play some songs para i-test natin yung performance ng ating Populele 2. So, based on the performance of the Populele 2, I really love it. Ang ganda ng tunog niya. I love the tone. I love the feeling. I love the design. It's very modern, very stylish, and very cute. And even though hindi ko nakuha yung color na supposed to be, but based on the picture, ayan, ipapakita ko yung picture sa inyo, guys. Blue talaga siya. Wala silang, variant na, ang tawag dito, na mint green. Blue talaga siya. So, eto lang talaga yung isa sa mga concern ko. And, yung mga accessories. Kasi walang accessories na, or freebies na kasama dito. So, teka. Malulubat na siya. So, ipapakita ko na lang yung picture dito. Di ko alam kung sino ba yung colorblind sa amin. Sila or ako. Pero, anyway, I really love the Populele 2 and it's really cute And again, if you're interested with this ukulele, then you can purchase it on the description box below. Andun yung purchase link. And anything that you need, including all the features, all the things that you need to know about the POPULELE too. So that's it for our video today, guys. I hope nag-enjoy kayo, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And of course, if you're interested with this ukulele right here, then all the necessary details that you need will be placed on the description box below. And also, comment down below kung anong gusto nyo makita nyo for my next tutorial or next vlog. And I'll see you guys on my next video, and make sure to subscribe. Bye! Hey guys, so thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're interested to watch my latest ukulele cover or tutorials, you may click the video right here. And if you're interested to watch my latest vlogs, you may click the video right there. And I'll see you guys on my next video, and make sure to subscribe.